Hello,
Hello.
welcome back.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, I am very good. And what
Good.
are you? What about
I'm
you?
good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah.
When did we last speak?
Before 4 days, I think.
Before holidays?
Before 4 or 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you having a good week?
Yeah, I I think so.
Okay. What have you been doing? What have you been doing this week?
This week, I just kept speaking with English with my friends,
With your
and
friends?
yeah, with my friends, and they just suggesting me to do a lot of things like they
Okay.
are saying you should start a YouTube channel as well, like these things.
Okay.
Yeah,
And your friends, they speak good English?
some of them speak good English, but many of them are not trying. They just keep learning, but
Okay.
don't know why they are not able to speak English. And I made him understand many times that you should speak English little bit, like
Yeah.
to start with broken English. But I think why they are feel hesitation while speaking with anyone.
Yeah. I suppose maybe it's a question of confidence as well.
Yeah, I think so because I was feeling shy whenever I was thinking about speaking before some time. But
Yes.
I think I feel confident. That's why I am here and I am speaking.
Good. And what do you normally talk about in English?
Normally, with friends, we can
Yes.
talk about any topic
Okay.
which is
So it's
interested.
so it's just like normal conversation, but in English.
Yeah, in English, we discuss about various type of things with my friend, and some friends just talk about learning English. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Great. That sounds really good. I'm very surprised because when you are with friends, you just want to speak natural. But you speak English. So
yeah.
if you do not know a word, do you say it in your own language or do you look online? What do you do?
Yeah, so mostly people talk with their own language, and
Okay.
I think while speaking with their friend, they don't translate and they don't do Google if they find any difficulties, and it's a habit of everybody that if they are speaking in English, and after some time they just return their language and they speak their own language. So
Okay.
I think we should postpone and something like this.
Okay. Very good. And normally, how long do you speak English?
Normally, on cambly, I speak every day, and if
Mhm.
some of our friends call me, then I talk with my friends, or
Okay.
else I just do whatever I want to do in my leisure time. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Very good. And what else have you been doing? What else have you been doing? What did you do at the weekend, for example?
Yeah, I understand. So I think I just do my casual work, and right now I am taking my account into learning English. So I just read a lots of things like I read a book, and sometimes if I don't read book, I think we feel little bit disappointed. and doing motivated as well. So I read a book as well.
Okay. What book are you reading? What book?
Yeah, so right now I am reading a book named Who Will Die? Who Will Cry When You Die?
Ah, okay. Is it fiction or not fiction?
It is not fiction. In this book, there is a lot of way to live your life peacefully, and
Okay.
author is named Robin Sharma. So I think he is very great. Yeah,
So it is sort of philosophy. Would you say it's philosophy?
not about philosophy. This book is just based on people daily life things, and
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Has it taught you something about life? Has it made you think about life?
yeah, absolutely. So
Okay.
in that book, I found that they say about how to stick with your habit,
Mm-hmm.
and love your family. How it help you to love your family, and what the benefit of carry with a diary. There was 100 things about life, but I
Okay.
don't know why I am not remember right now.
Okay. That's okay. Have you changed at all your life or not really?
Yeah, till now it didn't change, but in future I think if I will keep reading like these things, my life will change. I hope so.
Okay. How will it change? What will the change be?
Yeah, so if I will be stick with my habit, like if I woke up early at the morning, so I will get a lot of time to study for, and I will get time for exercise as well. And apart from that, if I get a lots of time, then I will read a lots of book. So like this, if I read book loudly, then I will be fluent, I think.
Okay.
And that's how, if I will be fluent, I will start a YouTube channel where I will talk about motivation and how to live your life peacefully. And I will talk about procrastination as well, because people always postpone their work, whatever they should do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Is this part of being a human? Is this human nature, do you think? Do you
yeah, yeah,
procrastinate?
yeah, yeah,
Do you procrastinate?
yeah. But first of all, I mend my ways.
Okay. So you hope to be more productive in the
Yeah,
future.
I hope, and I think everybody should hope like this.
Yeah, of course. You should always strive to be better,
Yeah, so tell me something about yourself if you would like. What did you do?
to improve.
Not improve in recent week. What
Ah,
you did?
what did I do this week? Well, I it was Easter at the weekend. So to celebrate this, normally in England you have a big meal with your family on Easter Sunday. Okay, so the Sunday in the past. But I do not live close to my family, so instead I had a big meal with friends, which
Yeah,
was really nice because people are all from different countries.
yeah.
Everyone cooked something different. We had way too much food. We could not eat it all. We just did a big feast, and it was sunny, so we sat in the sun. It was very nice.
So, do you have any Indian friend?
Yes, I have one. She was not there. One from Calcutta,
Yeah.
and but no, she was not there. But she has cooked for me once before. Very nice
So,
food. I love
so you,
Indian.
well, yeah, I just wanted to ask this question that do you like Indian food or not?
Oh, I love it. I do. I am vegetarian, so I do not eat the meat. But
Yeah,
there's so many other options for me. There are so many things I can have, so it's a great, yeah, great food for me. Do you like it?
yeah, I like it. Even I didn't eat even a single piece of meat till now, and I am committed that I will never gonna eat non-veg throughout my life.
Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
so why you don't like meat?
I don't like it. I don't want an animal to suffer for me
Yeah,
because there is no need. In the past, maybe it was necessary, but now it is not. Also, it is bad for the environment,
yeah,
and I'm not sure because the evidence, the science, is not strong enough at the moment. But it's possible that it's also not good for the body. But this is something they do not know a lot about at the moment. So yeah, I try to protect the planet and the animals. I love animals, so
yeah. Same
yeah.
here, and I think global warming and
Mhm.
there is a lot of problem causing right now. But
Yeah,
yeah, we think that we should make the world understand that we shouldn't kill the animal, but don't know how we can do it. But
I know. It's a very big mission.
yeah,
And the thing is, I think it's okay um, to kill animals and eat animals. But the problem is that the scale that we do it on, because of the amount of people on the planet, it is so bad for the environment. Whereas if we are less people or we eat less meat overall, then this is better, and this can change. That we do not fly meat across the world, things like this. So hopefully it will change, but it's difficult.
yeah. So I think that in some countries, if people don't have enough food grains, that's why they kill animal, and that's why they eat.
Hmm.
Do you
Yeah,
agree?
but if they are killing the animal themselves and eating it, I do not have a problem with that. In fact,
Yeah,
if we all did that, it would be fine. But the truth is that we do not have our own animals anymore.
yeah,
We do not all live on a farm anymore.
right.
But a long time ago, maybe. Do you
Yeah,
eat fish? Do you eat fish?
I don't eat anything like this.
Okay. So you are
Yeah, so
full vegetarian.
yeah, I am full vegetarian because I am a farmer, so I cultivate many food grains, and I think it very grateful things for me. And in my childhood, my a lot of my friends used to catch the fish by their hands,
Okay.
and they used to bake it on fire right then, and they used to eat, but I didn't because I was not like.
It seemed cruel to you. Do you know this word? Cruel. Do you know this word?
Yeah, I know,
Yeah. It seemed cruel. Or why?
but they were enjoying it, so it was
Okay.
fun. Yeah,